मुझे जगह देखी लग रही है जी हाँ, ये वही जगह है, द पैट्रिक्स हिल। आई एम सिटिंग इन दिस पैट्रिक हिल। यहीं पे मैंने एक और वीडियो भी शूट करी थी, द मिथ्स ऑफ आयरलैंड। इफ यू हैवंट सीन दैट वीडियो, गो एंड चेक आउट दिस वीडियो, द मिथ्स ऑफ आयरलैंड, जिसमें आई हैव शेयर्ड ऑल द मिथ्स ऑफ आयरलैंड। सो दिस इज द सेम डे इटसेल्फ, बट दिस इज अनदर टॉपिक आई वांट टू कवर एंड हेल्प you guys with how to prepare for Ireland.
Yeah, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide.
So the very first thing you need to prepare for Ireland is to get everything waterproof. यहाँ पे it rains a lot. Get your waterproof jackets, waterproof pants, waterproof shoes, waterproof bags, waterproof undies. Undies भी waterproof होती है. So why do bring so many waterproof things? It is because Ireland weather is so uncertain. It can rain anytime. Well, which is all the people who say na ki I to love rain. I want to dance like the Bollywood actors in the rain. एक बार आके देखो बेटे, इतनी बारिश होगी ना भाई, इतनी बारिश होगी सारा बॉलीवुड निकल जाएगा 2 मिनट में. But it rains a lot in Ireland. It rains a lot. It can rain any time. अभी भी I'm on the same view and this clouds you see, any time, any second it will come and it will start raining. That's why kind of making this video ASAP. So definitely get your all the waterproof things, as many waterproof things as you can. Get your raincoats. I have a raincoat. I don't have umbrellas. Get umbrellas guys, please get umbrellas. I don't have any umbrellas और 2 साल से ऊपर हो गया अभी तक umbrella खरीदा नहीं है मैंने. I have a raincoat जो कि I don't know कहाँ पर है. I have a lot of jackets जिसमें सिर्फ एक अब waterproof है, क्योंकि मैंने एक वीडियो में बोला था कि I don't have any waterproof jacket, but एक waterproof jacket है मेरे पास. I have 7 pairs of shoes. You can guess करो कितने waterproof हैं. एक भी नहीं. The second preparation I want you guys to do is travel light. I know saying travel light and traveling actually light, zameen asman ka farak hai, because it is you're going abroad and you will be staying there for 3 years, so you need to get a lot of things, your sweaters, your shoes, your undies, your food or whatsoever, all the things that are memorable for you, you need to take it there. But still I say travel light. And how can you travel light is one of the thing I'm going to tell you. Don't bring a lot of woolen clothes from India. Honestly, don't bring a lot of woolen clothes from India, because buy jackets and everything here in Ireland, they could be expensive, but if you buy 1 or 2 jackets out here, that is sufficient for all your winters and everything. Because इस पे कमलेश नरसिंघानी, one of my friends, जिसका podcast भी मैंने करा हुआ है, if you still haven't checked out that podcast, go and check out that podcast. कमलेश ने मुझे एक चीज़ बोली थी कि वो मैंने तो एक जैकेट ले रखी है, आई जस्ट हैव दिस 1 जैकेट. मैं कहा बट वाई ब्रो, डोंट यू फील लाइक बाइंग अदर जैकेट्स? इज लाइक कि जैकेट तो एक ही है ना, पर जो भी मुझे चीज़ें खरीदना मैं अंदर की खरीदूंगा, कि टी शर्ट वी शर्ट ये सब मैं इंडिया से लेके आऊँगा. दैट्स व्हाट आई विल बी शोइंग व्हेन आई एम इनसाइड अ हाउस. नहीं तो बाहर तो इट्स जस्ट अ जैकेट. सो 1 जैकेट इज इनफ फॉर मी, एंड विच इज़ सो ट्रू एंड विच इज़ सो इकोनॉमिकल ऑल्सो. बिकॉज इफ यू हैव 1 जैकेट, you just need to wear the jacket when you are out, when it's raining, when it's very freezing. Once you are in a party or at someone's place, you remove your jacket, put it somewhere, because अंदर घर में तो it's all centralized heating system, so it's all heat up, so you can showcase all your summer clothes inside the house. But बाहर के you can just have 1 or max to max 2 jackets, but don't bring that from India, because the woolens of India are good, but वो यहाँ पे कभी कभार उसमें भी ठंड लग जाती है. So get woolen clothes from here and buy or get your summer clothes and bit woolen, like very bit woolens from India. The third preparation that I want you guys to do and think about it is to get at least 1 year of money. 1 year of money, whether you take loan or it's your personal funding or anything. 1 year of funding is really important once you come here for a student visa. Why? Because you will be working as a student, and sometimes when the studies workload are really high and you don't have enough time to do a part-time job, or maybe you are not getting a part-time job, that 1 year could be covered by the money that you got from India. Maybe that could be your loan, or as I said, the personal expenses. With that 1 year of money, you will be tension free, that here you can stay calmly and you can work and focus more on your studies and things and getting a job, because 1 year everything is paid and or you have enough money for the 1 year. After 1 year, definitely go and find out jobs and anything like that, because after 1 year you will be getting a job. If you struggle hard, you work hard and you get a job, then you can take care of your expenses as well. But this is one of the thing I would definitely say, get at least 1 years of money, like for whole student life, get money from India, and after which you can do everything on your own. Fourth point to prepare for Ireland is, like, if you are coming to Dublin and if you have your colleges in Dublin and everything, then this point is not for you. Why? Because I tell you, the main hub, the main airport hub the Ireland has, that's the Dublin airport. So all the flights mostly go to the Dublin airport. So for all the students who have their colleges and everything in other counties, be it Cork, Limerick, Galway or any other county, you should be prepared and with have a pre-booking of the places that you need to go. So if you are coming from India to Dublin, it's a like easy flight, you come here, but from Dublin to any other county you need to prepare, you need to pre-book the things like buses, trains or anything, so that you don't have any tension, because once you are here your mobile won't be working, you will be working on your Wi-Fi that would be just inside the airport. So airport ke andar you have the Wi-Fi things, but if you have all your bookings, you have your booked bus from Dublin to Cork, Galway or Limerick, you have your train booked from anywhere, then you will be more tension free, that you know that you can be on your destination because you have all the booking. Now there is one more thing, if you book it, that is well and good, because then you will be more tension free ki chalo I'm going out, I have all my bookings, I'll be on Dublin airport, then I'll take a bus from here that will take me to Cork, Limerick or Galway or any other county. That would be good. If by chance you come here and you do not book anything, then also it's kind of a fine, but you need to do one of few things, which is when you come to the Dublin airport, there is a bus service just outside the airport. So when you come outside the airport, you can ask anyone where is the bus station where the buses are going to Limerick, Galway, Cork or any other counties, so they can guide you there. You can go to that bus station, you can take a bus over there, you can pay and take the bus over there, but in that time it would be kind of thing that you might need to wait for like 2 to 3 hours. Just imagine your flight landed at 12 and you came out of the airport around 1 and the next bus is around 4 p.m. so like 3 hours then you need to wait at the airport. But that is also very good because airport has their whole cafes and everything, so you can sit there, eat food and enjoy the time. The next step for prepare to Ireland is stop taking a lot of advices from people. मुझसे भी advice मत लो, जो करना है अपने दिल से करो. Why? Because when I was coming in Ireland in 2019, lot of people were saying, why are you going to Ireland? Ireland is just waste. What are you doing? This is wasting your money. You should go Canada. You should go to Australia, UK, man, New Zealand. Soch na. There are like ample number of other destinations because they are well known. Ireland is not that well known, but it is getting known by every year passing by. In 2019 there were like few Indians, 2020 a lot of Indians, and now 2021 a lot of Indians. So people are getting to know about Ireland. Just stay focused on one thing, that what you have to do in your life. So I'll be telling my personal experience. I wanted to go to Canada. मुझे Canada जाना था because in Canada I was like कि I'll be getting PR easy. I'll do any business course, marketing course, 2 साल के 2 diplomas. I'll do 3 years of stay. But Canada life set. That was my mentality that time. But at that time, I don't know how, but it just clicked me. I need to focus on what I need to study. I was getting courses of PR over there, but I was just not satisfied because I didn't want to do any diploma. I wanted to do a master's degree. And in Ireland, it was giving me an opportunity of 1 year of master's and 2 years of stay back with, and my course fees were also cheap. So I told my dad, I want to go to Ireland. I want to study. I need to focus on my study. Once my skills are really clear, once I know what to do, how are things done and everything, then I'm good for the world. I can work anywhere, I can apply anywhere. वो chance मिलना ना मिलना वो बात की बात है. But till the time my skills are clear, my goals are clear, so I will just go and do whatever I want. So stop taking advice this, follow your heart and follow your dreams. So the next prepare for Ireland is be focused on all the cards that you need to get as soon as you come to Ireland. Don't procrastinate these things. As soon as you come to Ireland, first of all, book an appointment for IRP. Second, get your enrollment letter from your college. Third, open your bank account. Fourth, get your PPSN number. These 4 things are really important. And fifth, a leap card that your college will be giving. Just focus on these 5 things when you come to Ireland, because once you have all these 5 things done, it would be really easy for you, because IRP mil jana, that means you got your visa for 1 year. And after 1 year, you need to re-go to the IRP and extend it for another 1 year. PPSN mil jana, that means you can work part-time job. So you have a proof for the taxation and everything. Then what I said, bank account khul jana, so that right now you have your bank card, so you can pay here with your bank cards. Indian cards ya jo bhi la rahe ho, uska use nahi hai. Enrollment letter is really important. Enrollment letter, when you get it, then only you can go with all these 3 steps. And leap card, that will be your friend, because when you have a leap card, it is like easy travel. The bus rates are low for you as you are a student. You can use that leap card in other shops as well, so it would be cutting your cost and it would be saving you a lot of money. So these 5 cards, the day you land here, start working on these cards. It will be really good for you. Next prepare for Ireland is be ready to grind. Not तू करना चाहती grind, मैं भी यहाँ मस्ती में not that grind, okay? वैसे गाना अच्छा था वो वाला. But be ready to grind from the very first day itself. Never think कि यार अभी I have my college for 1 year, so 1 year I can like party around, I can go around, I can eat food, I can drink, I can do a lot of things. You should do it. First thing first. Sorry if I said कि मत करना. Definitely do it. But stay focused and keep making connections. Connect on LinkedIn. Connect me on my LinkedIn. Because when you have connections, when you have references helps you a lot. In one of the podcast series with this Kamlesh Narsinghani, he also told me this thing that once you have a reference from anyone, there are like 30% more chances for you to get a job. So to find a job, start doing it for the very first day itself. Now I know very first day itself se to nahi hoga, because very first day when you will be here, you need to post your Instagram photos and you need to show the world ki baby, now I'm in Ireland. Do it. Definitely do it. But after a month's time, when you're like all settled and you're all chill out, then start working all these things. Start grinding from the very first day itself, because 1 साल का masters and 2 years of post study, which is a lot of time, but when your 2 years are over, you feel like कि अब तो बस 1 साल रह गया, I need to do something for that. So start grinding for the very first day itself. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is my Instagram. Check out my Instagram. Follow on my Instagram. Instagram pe I post beautiful photos and videos, and my reels I just dance on the songs on the roads. So you can connect me on my Instagram. Also connect me on my LinkedIn as well, because connection banana is really important. So if you guys like this video, do comment and do share with all the friends and the family members who are thinking, or you want them to go to Ireland, or Ireland you think it's a very good option to go abroad. So share with them this video and do not forget to subscribe. Till then, meet you guys in the next video, guys. Peace out.
The like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal.